water, body and heat transfer. The role of water in the body. Healthy sedentary adult living in a temperate climate should drink at least 1.5 liters of water per day. This level of water intake balance water loss and help keeping the body hydrated. The water consumed through food and drink follows a very route to arrive to cells, of which is a vital constituent. After passing through the stomach, water enters the small intestine, where it is largely absorbed in the first sections, the duodenum and jejunum. The rest pass into the colon. It crosses the intestinal mucous membrane into the bloodstream, going into the intestinal tissues that make up the framework every organ to arrive in the cell. Blood brings nutritional elements to cells like minerals, vitamins, protein components, lipids, and carbohydrates. Waste products are then removed through urines. Water plays also an essential function in helping the regulation of temperature. If water is consumed on an empty stomach, study has shown that it begins to come into the plasma just 5 minutes after ingested. The main function of water in the body. Human body is made up largely of water. It serves vital functions. Number 1, cell life. Water is essential for cells to function properly. It enters into the composition of the cells. Number 2, chemical and metabolic reactions. By enabling hydrolysis reactions, water participates in the biochemical breakdown of what we eat: protein, lipid, and carbohydrate. This is one of many reactions in which water involved. Transport of nutrients and removal of waste compounds. Water as a means of blood contributes to the transport of nutrients to the cell. Nutrients are transported by the blood. Water is a carrier as also helps removing waste products through urines. 4. Body temperature regulation. Water has large heat capacity which help limit change in body temperature in a warm or cold environment. Water enables the body to release heat when temperature is higher than body temperature, begin to sweat, and evaporation of water from the skin surface cool the body very efficiently. Water is at the heart of life. This is why human beings can survive no longer than few days without water. Drinking water every day, approximately 1.5 liters, and at regular intervals 8 times a day before, during, and in between meals, without waiting until thirsty, is important as part of healthy lifestyle at various stages of life. Heat generated in human body by metabolic process and exchange with environment and among internal organ by conditions. Convection, evaporation, and reduction. The heat generation due metabolic process and heat storage in body tissues, and fluid heat lost to the environment and adjacent tissues. Heat loses from the human body by complex regulation system. The internal temperature of the human body usually remains constant at 37 Celsius. The temperature of the skin is modified by the control of blood flow near the surface and by process of sweating. During conditions of cold external temperature, the blood flow through veins below the skin to conserve heat. During conditions of high external temperature, the body cools through the pores in the skin. Heat transfer by evaporation. Part of a liquid evaporates. It cools the liquid remaining behind because it must extract the necessary heat of evaporation from that liquid in order to make the phase change to the gaseous state.